welcome back to the channel. We are about to hit 300 subscribers, so please like this video. And yeah, obviously, let's finish it later on. But yeah, today we're going to talk about the Christmas Arctic blast that could happen around Christmas time, as well as the potential for a snowstorm around them. This is a forecast that is blowing my initially warned Christmas outlook. It's blown at this point. It is a spoil. Don't even watch that video unless you want inaccurate data. No, really, it is. Before we get started, I want to make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alright, now let's start with Tuesday. Some areas with sub-zero temperatures are beginning to sneak into the northern U.S. As you can see, there are small areas, including the northern Minnesota, northern Maine, and then the Rockies. And then, as you can see, there is going to be a powerful jet stream, as it will likely initiate a snowstorm around Christmas time for the central U.S. and Northeast. More info will be coming later on in this video, so just be patient. This powerful cold front associated with all this is going to move southeast and will eventually go into the deep south, as you are about to see real soon. Wednesday. These temperatures are getting even colder for the U.S., and now northern Dakota is seeing 10 degrees below zero, as it is forecast. You can see that the freezing temperatures are working its way southeast and will continue to do so for the next couple of days after this. This is Wednesday, by the way, so that would be like the 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. And this sub-zero temperatures are expanding across northern U.S. and will eventually reach Midwest, which, well, actually it does. As these sub-zero temperatures work its way across the country, it will bring very, very bitter cold temperatures. Now this is where the cold peaks. This is Christmas Eve. And now there is a small area in northern Minnesota. We get 20 degrees below zero. There is a wide area of sub-zero temperatures across the north-central U.S., Midwest, upper Midwest. So there are going to be bitterly insane cold temperatures across the U.S. Now, I know for areas along the U.S.-Canada border, sub-zero temperatures are normal at night, but it is the coldest air of the season as of right now. And it is looking all likely to be that. And the Rocky Mountains are also pretty cold in some areas of sub-zero. And then the freezing temperatures ripped all the way to Atlanta. Here is the Arctic blast timeline. These are day by day breakdowns. So, look at all these temperatures getting cold so quick. And then these freezing temperatures reach the Gulf Coast and even Florida. Can't you just see that insanity cold? And even the Appalachians could see temperatures at 0 Fahrenheit. Insane. And now we're going to talk about the potential Christmas winter storm. Now this starts to snow in the northern plains and Rocky Mountains. And then as it strengthens into a weather system, rain will begin to develop south of the low. And it works its way northeast across upper Midwest and upper Great Lakes. Chicago will be starting as rain and will begin to transition to snow, as you can see. Indianapolis, Cleveland will, Louisville, Nashville, and maybe, Cleveland, Erie, Buffalo, no, really, Haley, Atlanta, nothing. Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, northern New York, Boston eventually, Burlington, and then northern Maine. They're all going to be rain and eventually transition to snow. Milwaukee will also be a rain to snow one. And then it leaves behind lake effect snow across the Great Lakes, especially on the eastern and southern shores of the Great Lakes, where there is more lake effect snow. And could be another system pulling in, as you can see, from the northwest. And now, although you would normally expect heavy snow amounts in the mountains over there in the northwest, we're talking about the eastern central snowstorm. And there could be a foot, as you could see in the UP of Michigan, and then half a foot across portions of the northeast, especially in the higher elevations. And I'll still like up to 1 foot in up UP of Michigan and all that. But then like Cleveland and Pennsylvania could like see half an inch and even up to a foot, especially along the lake with the lake effect. Now this is the Canadian model, where it brings the most snow to the northeast. It does depict New York City will see snow, but the other models don't seem to do that. And it doesn't also show heavy snow amounts for northeast. Look at that, 1 foot Pennsylvania up to 2 feet.